One of the quickest and easiest way to increase your productivity in Creo Parametric is by configuring the quick access toolbar, and that is set of command in upper left hand corner of the screen. And by default you have command like open screen, save, undo. Like this you have a command like this only. But if you really want to get faster in Creo Parametric, any command you are going to use frequently, you should place up there at the top of the screen. The way that you can configure this is by going to file option, file option, quick access toolbar. Here you can add the same quick access toolbar command. You can get it from the interface right there and click more command. Then you can easily reach up to this quick access toolbar command, and now you can choose your own suitable command that you want to put in quick access toolbar. I highly recommend that you can use erase not display in your quick access toolbar, and you can position this by this up and right arrow. Look, now it is here. This is very important tool, and you can use in order to clear out your RAM if you actually want to see some improvement in your computer behavior. A lot of people don't know that. And you can also use model property in your quick access toolbar. This is where you assign materials to a part